Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. Facebook Profile Lock can help give you more privacy by limiting what people who are not your friends can see on your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Next, go to your Facebook profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name. Once you are on your profile, look for the three-dot menu next to the Edit Profile button. Tap on the three dots to open your profile settings. Look for an option called Lock Profile. If you see it, tap on Lock Profile. Facebook will show you information about what happens when your profile is locked. Take a moment to review the information. When you are ready, tap Lock Your Profile to confirm. Facebook may show a confirmation message letting you know that your profile has been locked successfully. Your profile is now more restricted for people who are not your Facebook friends. Depending on Facebook's current settings, people who are not your friends may have limited access to your profile information and posts. Your profile picture and cover photo may also have additional privacy restrictions. Keep in mind that your friends can still see information that you choose to share with them. You can also continue managing the privacy settings of your individual posts and other profile information. If you do not see the lock profile option, don't worry. Facebook does not make this feature available in every country, account, or profile. The available options can also change depending on Facebook's current settings and app version. If the option is available later, you can check your profile settings again. You can also open the Facebook App Store page and make sure the app is updated to the latest available version. And that's it. You now know how to lock your Facebook profile and add an extra layer of privacy to your account. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.